Join me as I dive into the secrets of winning the lottery and put these proven methods to the test. Winning the lottery, it's the ultimate dream, right? Who wouldn't want to wake up one morning to find out they're a multimillionaire? But as exciting as it sounds, we all know the odds are stacked against us. Or are they? When it comes to winning the lottery, most people think it's all about luck. You know, buying a ticket, crossing your fingers, and hoping for the best. But the reality is, the odds of winning are so low that it's almost laughable. I mean, you're more likely to get struck by lightning twice than to win the jackpot. And yet, people still play, hoping that their numbers will be the ones drawn. The truth is, most people have a really misguided view of what it takes to win the lottery. They think it's all about being lucky, or being in the right place at the right time. But the truth is, there are strategies, proven methods that can increase your chances of winning. And that's what I want to explore today. The problem is, most people don't take the time to really understand how the lottery works. They just throw their money at it, hoping for the best. But if you really take a step back and look at the numbers, you start to see patterns emerge. You start to see that some numbers are chosen more often than others, that some strategies are more effective than others. Let's dive into some of these proven methods. One of the most effective strategies is to choose less popular numbers. Think about it, if you choose the same numbers that everyone else is choosing, your chances of winning are going to be much lower. But if you choose numbers that are less popular, you're increasing your chances of winning. It's all about being contrarian, going against the crowd. Another strategy is to join lottery pools. This is where a group of people get together, pool their resources, and buy a bunch of tickets. The idea is that if one of the tickets wins, you all win. It's a way to increase your chances of winning without breaking the bank. Understanding number frequency is also key. This is where you start to look at the numbers that are drawn most often, and you start to use that information to inform your own number choices. It's not about being lucky, it's about being smart. But there's one strategy that stands out above the rest. One strategy that can significantly boost a player's chances of winning. And that's the power of wheeling. Wheeling is a strategy that involves using a set of numbers to cover all possible combinations of a certain number of balls. It's complex, but trust me, it's worth it. I've seen people use wheeling to win big, and it's not just about the money. It's about the sense of accomplishment, the sense of pride that comes with knowing you outsmarted the system. And I want to share with you a real-life example of someone who used wheeling to win big. In 2019, a group of coworkers in New Jersey used wheeling to win a $1.4 million jackpot. They pooled their resources, used a wheeling strategy, and ended up winning big. And the best part is, it's not just a one-time thing. Wheeling can be used again and again to increase your chances of winning. So, what can we take away from all of this? What strategies can we apply to our own lottery play to increase our chances of winning? It's all about being smart, being strategic, and being willing to put in the work. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever won the lottery? What strategies do you use? Let me know, and don't forget to check out my other videos on strategies for success.